Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in today. I'm out on this river today. I've never been to. It's about an hour and a half drive from my place. One thing I do know about this river is it's got a pretty good number of smallmouth bass, so I wanted to make the trip up here and toss around some top waters for them, but I got no idea where to start, so I'm just gonna do what I usually do and head upstream for a while, and I'll toss that plopper around, maybe some other top waters on the way back. It's a little bit different than the slower moving skinny water that I'm used to fishing. So this might be a little bit of a challenge for me today, but I am ready to get started and throw in this Whopper Plopper and see if there's any bass that want to hit it. So I got the Whopper Plopper 75 in the loon pattern to start. Got one. There we go. That was the third cast, I think. Oh man, I can't get him in the net. There we go. There we go. That's a nice first smallie right there on the Whopper Plopper. Take another look at him. Nice one. Whoa, that one came right after it as soon as it hit the water. Wish I could slow down a little bit. Need to get an anchor. Might be a decent amount of fish hold up over here. Ah, another miss. Guess the fish in here don't like to try more than once. Ah, that was a fail. I'd just be able to grab the hook and pull that to me if I can. You gotta be kidding me. You're grabbing on there. I think I gotta go to the hospital to get this numbed. Alright, so that's what I'm working with right now. I actually just drove over to an urgent care, hoping to get this pulled out pretty quick and get back to where I left off. This time, I guess, with a numb hand, but hopefully I'll see you back out there. Things took a little bit of an unexpected turn there, but I got to a walk-in clinic and had them pull that hook out within about 20 minutes. So I'm back out on this river now. My loon Whopper Plopper is out of commission because they had to break the hooks off, but I got the perch one tied on. I'm gonna get back up toward the scene of the crime and hopefully get on some nice smallies. Oh, I thought I had it. That one hit pretty close. Got that one. Now he came off, of course. Yikes. Come on. What is going on with these fish? I haven't really gotten many hits down here, and I haven't solved the issue of not being able to hook up with any of these fish. It's an issue that I've never really had on the Whopper Plopper. Got one. Yes, it's on. It's gonna be a nice one, I think, too. Oh yeah. He's fighting pretty good in the current. Whoa. Nice smallie. Don't get in those weeds, don't you get off. Oh. Ah, yes. Man, he gave me the work. There we go. Oh, that's a nice one. Take a look at that smallie. What a beast. It's right around 17 inches. Nice fight. Finally. I guess you just had to find one that was really committed to hitting that plopper. Ooh, big miss. Come back. You didn't get close to it even. Oh, big miss again. Wow, that one came unglued to hit it. Yeah. There's a lot of little ones hitting for sure. Here we go. It's a little one, but finally he's still on. He's right in the weeds. Now he's gonna get tangled up in that log. There. Nothing I can do. I just gotta. There we go. as well net him. Wouldn't want him to get away. It's not too bad. Not sure how he got hooked. Right in the underneath his mouth. He's got one on the side. Yeah. They get all up in that slop. Got him already. It's a nice little chunker. Probably only about a 12-incher or so. Heck, I'm not upset about that at all. If anybody has ever had a day like this, you probably know what I'm talking about. Oh man, he smacked it. That one I thought I had for sure. Well, it was definitely an eventful day of fishing. Lost more and missed more smallies than I could ever count. Caught a few decent ones. Caught myself in the thumb. But it worked out. So thank you guys for watching. Tune in next time.